So one more important enzymes, which are the enzymatic changes in the viral infected cells, is arginase. The most important enzyme we have already studied is the polymerase, DNA polymerase enzyme, then thymidine kinase, and now the arginase. What are its function and what is its working in the body? Arginase is the arginase aminidase. It may be the canavase, and L-arginase may be the arginase transmedase. It is actually containing the manganese containing enzymes, and the reaction catalyzed by this enzyme will produce the urea. Actually, this is the last enzyme which is present, final enzyme of the urea cycle. So the reaction catalyzed by this enzyme is arginine in the presence of the water, but however you can say the water in the presence of arginine will give us the orthonin, and it will release the urea from the reaction. Just like here you can see the L-citrulline and then it's nitric acid. Here I will explain it like this. In the L-citrulline and the nitric oxide. So nitric oxide synthesis, it will give us the arginine, and this is arginine, presence of the arginine on one way on this, and the other way the arginine will give us the releases the urea, just like we already studied, and also give us the L-arginine. So similarly, the rabbit papilloma virus induces the high level of arginine in the squamous epithelium. After the infection with the papilloma virus, the rabbits will give us the high level of this enzymes. And squamous epithelium normally contains the arginine. So arginine is already present in the squamous epithelium in the normal cells too. But however, after the infection with the papilloma virus, it will give us the concentration will be more increased. From the diagnosis point of view, these enzymatic changes are also very important, that if we need to diagnose some special kind of the virus, it can be very easily to diagnose because of the presence of such changes in the infected cells. Similarly, the induced enzymes differ immunologically and physiochemically from the normal enzymes. The normal enzymes will be different as far as the immune and the physiochemical functions are there, but after the viral infection, they will be different. Release from the normal cells and control the whole mechanism which is involved with the viral infection. There are some speculations that net effect of the depletion of the cellular arginine, which results in the inducing most of the arginine, and the rich histones are also synthesized.